Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you how to post story on Instagram from your PC or laptop. So simply at first open your Instagram. I'm already open my Instagram. Press on to plus option to create, but not showing it to exactly create story option, showing it to only post live video or ad, so don't upset. You just press on your mouse left side, click on Team Fact, then showing it to this pop-up. Press on this icon to select phone option. Press on to select phone model, like I'm select iPhone 12 Pro, and refresh, then showing it to phone option. Click on to plus option or your story, press on, and you can make a story. Okay, this is a story. Write text, overall setup, press on share your story. So that's it.